sell. So once you sign up with this, and I'm not going to walk through the sign up process because I don't want y'all stealing my personal information, but it's free. But you do have to enter in your, again, like any of this stuff, you have to enter in your personal information, your social security number, and your banking information. And anything that you do online, they want to verify a few things. One is they want to verify you are a real person and not a robot. And I'm not even joking. There are robots doing some shit online nowadays. We're entering in an age where like artificial intelligence is real. I'm not going to go into that. That's a different story. And the second thing is they want to make sure that nobody's doing any money laundering or stuff like that. And the third thing is they need to know where to send the money. So don't be surprised. Again, these are reputable companies, Amazon and eBay. They've been around for a while, so don't worry about entering in your public information on these people's websites. Because I understand that, you know, for somebody who's like just getting started online, that might be like, oh, why can't I just like talk to somebody on phone and get paid a check? Or like, you know, this is the internet, so it's a little more impersonal. Once you sign up for Amazon Associates, which is their affiliate program, you'll see this thing called Site Stripe. See that right up there? And this is how you will get your links to recommend people go to Amazon. So let's look up a product and get our link.